Welcome to the installation guide for your HYANKA SKP-D12M 1200W 12 inches car subwoofer system. In this video, we will walk you through every step of the installation process, from unboxing to troubleshooting. Let us get started. First, unbox your system and make sure you have all the necessary components. Assemble the ground wire completely. Assemble the fuse with the power cable. Infrared capacitor stabilizes voltage and ensures consistent power for optimal amplifier performance. Decide where to place the subwoofer enclosure in your car. The trunk is usually the best place for a subwoofer system. Ensure there's enough space for the enclosure size. Make sure the subwoofer has enough ventilation space to avoid overheating. Place the subwoofer enclosure in your chosen location and secure it. Use the provided mounting hardware to anchor it firmly to the vehicle. Ensure the subwoofer faces the correct direction to maximize sound quality. Use screws or brackets to secure the enclosure, ensuring it will move during driving. Now, install the mono amplifier. The amplifier should be placed in a secure, well-ventilated area, usually near the subwoofer system. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the amplifier to the corresponding wires from the subwoofer. If the amplifier doesn't power on, double-check all connections. Ensure the fuse is not blown and the amplifier is grounded properly. Routing the power cable. Route through the firewall. Locate an existing grommet in the vehicle's firewall to pass the power cable through. Reasonable wiring, according to different models. The power cable's positive lead must be connected to the subwoofer. Otherwise, the subwoofer will be damaged. Connect the ground wire's negative lead to the subwoofer. Then connect the ground wire's positive lead to a solid metal part of the car's body, ensuring good grounding. Choose a grounding point that is clean and free of paint to ensure good contact. Scrape off the paint or clean the screws thoroughly. If you experience a buzzing sound or no sound at all, check the ground wire for a loose or poor connection. Run the RCA cables from your car's stereo system to the input terminals of the amplifier. Ensure the RCA connectors are tightly secured to avoid signal interference or audio distortion. Before securing all wires and components, power on your car and test the subwoofer system. Adjust the amplifier settings, such as bass boost, to your desired sound level. Play some bass-heavy music to ensure the subwoofers and amplifier are working properly. If there's no sound, check the power, ground, and RCA connections. Make sure the amplifier is properly set up. If you encounter any issues during installation, here are some common troubleshooting tips. Congratulations! You successfully installed your HYANKA SKP-D12M 1200W dual 12-inch subwoofer system. Enjoy powerful, high-quality bass in your car. For more help, refer to the user manual or contact our support team. Thanks for watching.